Hello students, in this video I will explain about some uses of metals and non-metals. Some uses of metals. Metals are used for making machineries, for making automobiles, for making aeroplanes, for making trains, for making satellites, for making electrical gadgets, for making cooking utensils, for making water boilers, and for industrial gadgets. Uses of metal. Iron in the form of steel alloy. Iron mixed with carbon makes steel alloy, and these alloys are used for making car bodies, machineries, etc. And steel alloy is also used for making stainless steel. Stainless steel contains chromium, nickel, iron, and it will not react with water and does not get rusted. So it is used for making cutleries, various kind of utensils, and it is also used for making chemical plants because it does not react with water. Galvanization is a process of applying a protective zinc coating to iron or steel to prevent from rusting because zinc react with oxygen to form zinc oxide, and this act as a protective layer protect iron from rusting. Zinc mixed with copper to make an alloy known as brass. Copper is good conductor of electricity, so used to make electric wiring. Copper is also used to make cooking utensils as bacteria will not grow on it. Aluminium is used for making aircraft part because it is strong yet having low density. Aluminium is also used for making food containers. Some metals and their uses. Gold and silver are used for making jewelry. Copper is used for making electric wires, cooking utensils, etc. Zinc is mainly used as a protective coat for iron. Aluminium is used for making electrical cables, packaging, cooking utensils, etc. Metal like iron and steel are widely used in building and home construction. Liquid metal like mercury, which can exist in room temperature, is used in clinical thermometer. Lead is commonly used in car batteries. Coins are made up of nickel, sodium used as a table salt, uranium are commonly used in defense. Students, now let us discuss uses of some non-metals. Some of the common uses are iodine is used as antiseptic, oxygen is essential for all human beings, sulfur is used for making air firecrackers, phosphorus is used in matchbox industries and fertilizers. Chlorine and ozone are used in water purification process. Some nonmetals and their uses. Oxygen is used for breathing. Chlorine is used for purifying water. Phosphorus is used in crackers. Nonmetals like nitrogen is used in fertilizers. Graphite is a good conductor of electricity. Nitrogen is used by plants. Graphite is used in making leads. Carbon is used as a fuel. Bromine is used in dyes and pesticides. Diamonds are mostly used for making jewelry. Sulfur is used to make matchstick tip. Sulfur is ingredient of making paints. Students, amalgam is an alloy of mercury with one or more metals like dentin amalgam, aluminium amalgam, silver amalgam, tin amalgam, gold amalgam, sodium amalgam, zinc amalgam, and potassium amalgam. Students, remember mercury does not form an amalgam with iron, platinum, tungsten, or tantalum. Examples of some alloys. Brass is an alloy of copper and zinc used for making door handles and fittings. Bronze is an alloy of copper and tin used for making statues. Solder is an alloy of tin and lead used for soldering metal together. Stainless steel is an alloy of iron, chromium, and nickel used for making cutleries and kitchen sinks. So, An alloy is a mixture of chemical elements where the primary component is a metal like bronze, 18 karat gold, brass, cast iron, and sterling silver. Aqua or royal solution. Students, noble elements like gold and platinum do not react even with concentrated acids, but they react with royal solution known as aqua. Aqua is a mixture of hydrochloric acid and nitric acid at a ratio of either 3 is to 1 or 4 is to 1. It is a reddish orange or yellowish orange fuming liquid. The term is a Latin phrase meaning king's water. The name reflects the ability of aqua to dissolve the noble metals like gold, platinum, and palladium. Thank you, students.